Starting this morning, the City of Columbia is literally getting a shot in the arm in our fight against COVID-19. You know, for the last 10 months, Jonathan, Dr. Beck, your team, and healthcare workers across our region have been the first and sadly at times the last line of defense in our efforts to eliminate this challenging pandemic. And the only support that our community has been able to show to these healthcare workers and long-term care providers and public health professionals has been the little things like wearing a mask, staying at home, avoiding large crowds. But now, thanks to the research, trusted research from medical scientists, we have a safe and effective vaccine that is ready to roll out, starting with our essential workers here on the front line. And until it is our time to become inoculated, we all need to continue to do those things to help slow the spread, because just one infection can cause an outbreak. And we all want to return to normal. We all want our schools to be open and the economy back running, but we also want to protect our family and our loved ones. And to do that, we need to continue to wear a mask and socially distant and avoid large groups and wash your hands and quarantine after you've been exposed, all of those things. But there's one more thing we can do, and that is join with me in thanking our healthcare workers, and it is my honor today to declare the next 7 days as Healthcare Worker Appreciation Week in the City of Columbia. And let me just tell you, healthcare workers are on the front lines of battling the novel coronavirus pandemic that is spreading rapidly throughout our city, state, and nation. And whereas healthcare workers have put themselves in the path of this virus in Columbia and around the world with this unprecedented crisis, and whereas doctors, nurses, public health workers, long-term care providers, along with respiratory therapists, technicians, transporters, EMTs, pharmacists, and others that support quality patient care are caring for our most vulnerable populations. And whereas these devoted individuals have been responsible for providing care in this challenging pandemic in the face of danger and uncertainty, and whereas our community is grateful for the sacrifices our healthcare workers make every day, especially during this pandemic, the dedication, commitment, and courage of all healthcare workers deserve our deepest gratitude and admiration, and their service is saving countless lives and making thousands of differences. Now therefore, I, Brian Treece, Mayor of the City of Columbia, proclaim Wednesday, December 16th through Tuesday, December 22nd, 2020 as Healthcare Worker Appreciation Week in the City of Columbia, and I ask all of our citizens to recognize the dedication of our healthcare workers and the vital role they play in enhancing and saving lives every day, and especially during this pandemic. Okay.